Yo, what's good with y'all? Welcome back to my channel, man. It's a bright, beautiful day out here where I live, you feel me? And I got both the cars running right now. I haven't received my package in the mail for the Beamer yet. I'm about to pop this hood. I had it running for a few, and I'm trying to basically just snuff that little mouse out of here. Hopefully it ends up doing it. As y'all remember, hopefully y'all do, got bad coils in here, number 1 and number 4. So we're just still waiting on the package to get here to be able to change those, the spark plugs, and hopefully we stop this misfire. The engine's been running rough. I don't want to take the car on the road in the case that I do break down because of it. So it's been sitting over here in this little area, but this little area has like field mice. So the field mice think they can come over here, find somewhere where they can avoid the cold, stay warm, and basically nest and live. So I'm gonna give this car a good little go around the corner right quick. Hopefully that bad bastard is fucking gone. Doesn't look like he's been doing anything extra in here. So I'm go ahead and... So yesterday I was supposed to go to the shop, but I ended up not feeling well, and I wasn't feeling well today, so I'm getting a really late start again. The engine's just sitting there waiting on me, pretty much. Motherfucker running super rough, good lord. It sounds like trash too. The engine's been kind of just waiting on me to come in there and start up again. Have Nick help me out building it, putting it together and whatnot. We're still rebuilding those heads, trying to make sure that the buckets are in the right spot with the right amount of spacing and whatnot. That shit's fucking hard. But I think just getting a grasp and understanding this motor is gonna make my life a whole lot fucking easier if anything does go south or when I do start creating more builds. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in the VQ realm or if I'm gonna venture out. Most likely gonna venture out because I don't plan on keeping this car with this motor. I wanna put like a little small fucking LS block in this one of the little fucking junkyard builds. Oh yeah, good gravy. I forgot about that. One of the window motors is going out in this fucking car too. Like, this car's been giving me nothing but fucking problems and trouble for the last like 2 weeks. I haven't been driving it just because of stupid shit like that. So I gotta do some work on this fucking thing. I think I just want to put an LS in here, something that I know is reliable and something that'll fucking put down power. Just build an overall cool machine. But let me go ahead and get back to the crib, and we're gonna get on the road. Start heading towards the mech shop. Hopefully they're still open by the time I get there. All right, so hopefully that nice little ride around the block got that motherfucker up out of there. Hopefully. At least until these cool packs and these fucking spark plugs come, I'm not gonna be driving that car. It doesn't make sense in my brain to do that. All right, I can't lie. I made it here like an hour or two ago. Nick has moved a lot of stuff around. They got different cars in the air. Well, this one's still here, but they got different cars in here. The one over shit. Moved everything over here. Still haven't gotten these buckets figured out. Don't feel like figuring out these buckets right now. So that little truck sounded pretty good. We got Junie over here bullshitting, spilling gas on the floor.
I'm gone, man. That's what you got. Rubber clock coming out. See you later.
That boy pulled one little piece off and said, shit, hard work for me, I'm done. Well, y'all know if Junie going, that's my signal, because I got to get me something to eat. Man, my bad, man. I had to put y'all in super view, man. I had just left, you know what I'm saying? Look, you feel me? I had to. It's been 2 days. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't record nothing. I literally recorded an intro and I didn't record anything. So I decided I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of driving footage, and probably gonna go to the shop today, check on the engine a little bit, see what I can do. And if I can't do nothing, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be like a little fun day. Probably a little, might do a burnout, my first burnout in this car, my first burnout technically ever in a car. And oh shit, hold on. Had to drive the motherfucker right quick. I noticed he's slow, but shit. Damn, the lights out crazy. I never seen it before. around me for? Alright, bro. Fucking hard. Oh, damn. Who said that? Yeah. Just what I thought, Jay. I knew they wasn't in here working.
What's up?
I said I knew they wasn't in here working.
Yep.
So fucking ghost town. Where everybody at? Lunch?
Yeah.
I see. Thinking it's cool to take breaks on my dime, huh? I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.
Get fired up. Yeah, I think it's good right now. We got straight position sensor issue last time. That's all done and it should pack. If anything, the only thing I heard last time, it sounded like the voltage was a little low.
I asked Perry if I could borrow his car. He said, hell yeah.
Yeah, but he did. He's in it, go for it, bro.
Wanna see? I'm not going for it. Fuck that. I can't replace that if I fucking break it.
Did he really say hell yeah? I was gonna say, get the fuck out of here.
I haven't asked him. He probably would though.
I was gonna say, you ask him. I'm gonna bet that he
Says
says
no.
fuck yourself.
He's been sending me memes all week. But he sends the memes the old fashioned way. Like he'll be on Instagram, he'll share it and send the whole link via message to me. I'm like, Perry, I fucking follow you on Instagram, bro.
Just tag me, dog.
Yeah, like something. And Perry, yo,
over there?
yeah.
I'm predicting fuck you.
Yeah, he probably will say fuck me.
Nah, I don't think so, man.
Like, what do you mean borrow the whip?
Yeah, right?
Like he's like, you trying to call me racist or something?
Yeah, right?
You think I got a whip somewhere over there? Like, yeah, Perry, I'm talking about the car.
Definitely turn the race card on. That'd be fun.
Yeah, I love when he fucking does it. It's funny because I got one for him now. I'm gonna call it that. He said, mine? Why? What should I tell him?
It's up to you, pal. You're the one fucking.
I need
picking up
help.
the
I don't
speed right
know.
now.
It's more fun than yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good reason. That's a really military reason right there. He just laughed and just changed the subject.
Yep.
Fuck. Not yet.
Oh, you sure you got that crank position in there right? Yeah, it looks like you're leaking out that filter housing again. Yeah, I wouldn't fire.
Well, one of my favorite guys wanted to be in the video, so while he's in fucking Georgia, I guess I'll give his car a little, you know what I'm saying? A little cameo appearance. You feel me? One of the cleanest, dirtiest G's out there right now. You feel me? Gets down in the street and eats and things of that nature. Big, thick ass. You feel me? He said he wanted to change up the whole fucking game when it came to the fucking rims he was running. Or was it the tire package? I can't remember what the fuck he said he wanted to, but this shit clean. I asked him if I could drive it. He said, fuck no. Alright, so I just left the motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, mechanic shop and whatnot. I'm chilling. I'm about to get something to eat, and then I should be on my way home. Kinda can't wait to get home. I ain't been home in a couple of days. We also got our parts that came in the mail, so we got those coil packs and spark plugs that we can do as soon as we get to the crib and see if the beamer starts acting better. Hopefully it does, and I ain't got nothing to worry about seriously. And if I do, we'll address it and figure it out. We'll keep on testing it. But I'm 95% sure that that's the problem. And we also gotta start driving it more. That way those fucking mics don't start fucking nesting in there. But I'm on my way to Wine Bros, and I'm gonna grab me something good to eat. Y'all feel me? But hold on, let me go down because the traffic getting kind of busy. All right, bet. mission success. We got the motherfucking Hawaiian bros type shit, you feel me? Real deal Hawaiian shit, you feel me? So I'm finna eat good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. We probably gonna pick up where I can do the coil packs and the spark plugs when I get to the crib. Busy as fuck, man. It's like 5 o'clock traffic right now, low key. So, bro, this traffic is getting kind of ridiculous, low key. In the sense of like, our light hasn't changed in the last fucking like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, bro. We've been saying for a little while. Ooh, ew, ow, boy, somebody from got marijuana. Wow, yeah, good thing. Hey, with a rat pack. Wow, damn, girl. Shit got rare. My hair over per pad, my car. Clean ass queue up there. I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't see it all the way, but hopefully he got in play for us. I'm finna go get loose on you. He probably gonna get loose on me for real. Oh my god, this stupid bitch. You young drive motherfucker. Come on, man, drive shit. Scared or nothing. Oh my god, bro, look at this. Oh shit. Looks like I'm gonna be in traffic for a while. I ain't playing shit. Alright, so I barely got any battery left, but package right there. Better go outside, grab the beam key, bring it up, pop the hood, you know what I'm saying? Check these spark plug sizes and all that extracurricular and whatnot. And then we're going to proceed to change out coil packs and the spark plugs on this bitch. And hopefully I say this problem is rid of, because I need this car to be reliable, bro. And if it's gonna be out here misfiring and shit, I ain't got time for that. Beamer back over here, hood popped, and now I need to figure out the size of these sockets. But while I'm getting that, y'all go ahead and sit right here and set y'all selves up, you know what I'm saying?